So then let's start talking about your menu from your Square register, and then having that show up onto your Facebook page for people to order, or through a web widget, and I'll show you that as well, or through Instagram or anything like that. So there's really cool stuff here coming up. And it's super easy. So we've got our menu here. We've created our menu items. We've created our categories. We have created our modifiers, all that in here, on here. And then if we look to our menu over here, under Dogma, we can see pizza, lunch, soft drinks, beer, teas. And if you go back to our categories over here, you can see $5 lunch, beers, tea, coffee, right? So it exactly mirrored everything. And also within that in Jumper, you can see all the menu items. Now, I don't have any images to this, but if I did, it would show up. And one thing is that, a lot of restaurateurs don't have menu items or images for their products, and that's okay. So that even if you have one image here and no images here, we're not going to show any images. It'll all look uniform. So you don't have to worry about that. And what I always like to do within my Square register is I like to create a special online category, something like $5 lunch, or restaurant deal, whatever, Tuesday deals or Wednesday deals, or whatever you can call it. So you can call it like lunch specials, right? On there. And then this way, when you import that and you've created that, inside here, say whatever that might be, you can have that show and just not show. So like here is $5 lunch, I can disable or enable each menu item. So if I had 5 days across, I would disable on Monday if I have it for Tuesday. So customers, when they come and you do a Facebook post or an Instagram post or some sort of social or an email that goes out telling them, hey, we've got this special deal today, here's our special, and then they come and order it from your online thing and they buy through there. So it's a great way to get social interactive, and we'll go through creating ads and how that all works and promotions and things like that later on. But the takeaway here is basically what will happen is that in here you will have a ton of categories. So if you've created a menu that has 50 different categories, you're only using 3 of them, when you come to Jumper, it will show all 50 categories. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to disable the ones that you don't want. These will show, these are disabled, and these are enabled. So if you want to disable that, you click that, and then anytime you want to re-enable it, you just click that. And inside menu items, you can disable menu items too. So maybe you have a bunch of things that are not active anymore, or they're specials and stuff. You would just click disable, and they won't show up. So I hope you all got that on that, and that's how you do it. And you can do it for each one of your different locations. So that's basically how you enable and disable your menu items. Oh, and by the way, you can always move this around too. So when people are coming to, when they show your online menu, you'll be able to see that.